In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password on Blue Yonder 2025. Whether you've forgotten your password or simply need to update it for security reasons, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process. Let's get started, shall we? First, you need to navigate to the login page for the Success portal. This is where the magic begins. Once there, look for the option that says Forgot Your Password. It's usually a clickable link, so go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the first step of resetting your password, setting you off on a path to regaining access to your account. Next, you will be prompted to enter either your username or the email address associated with your account. It's crucial that you enter the exact details linked to your account, as this will help Blue Yonder identify you. Once you've entered the required information, submit the form. The submission informs the system that you wish to reset your password, and it will trigger the next step in the process. Now it's time to check your email inbox. You're going to be looking for a message from Blue Yonder, which is probably hanging out in your main inbox, or in some cases maybe lurking in your spam folder if it's decided to be sneaky. This email will contain a link or further instructions on how to proceed with resetting your password. When you find the email, it's time to take action. Click the link provided. Doing so will direct you to a secure page where you can set a new password. This is your opportunity to choose something both secure and memorable. Make sure your new password is strong, perhaps a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, but also something you won't easily forget. You might encounter some extra steps along the way, such as verifying your identity or entering a code sent to your phone or email. These are standard security measures designed to protect your account. Simply follow any on-screen prompts to complete the password reset process smoothly. Once you've successfully set up your new password, it's time to test it out. Return to the login page of the Success portal. Here, enter your details along with the new password you just created. With any luck, you'll be back into your account, good as new, with all your Blue Yonder services right at your fingertips. And there you have it. You've reset your password on Blue Yonder 2025. Congratulations. Remember, maintaining secure and regularly updated passwords is a key aspect of protecting your personal and professional data online. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any more questions or need further assistance.